Begin by removing the two bolts securing the display frame using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Do not discard these bolts, keep them safe for reassembly. Next, flip the display frame upward to create sufficient space to access the socket boards. Remove the power connectors from the socket board by pressing the latches on both sides. Carefully remove the Alfbus connector. Then remove the socket board protection cover by pressing the top and bottom areas, and sliding the cover forward. Remove the bolt securing the socket board using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Move the socket board slightly upward, then slide it forward to remove it from its position. To reinstall, slide the board back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the slots. Allow it to drop gently until it is fully seated. Secure the socket board using the previously removed bolt and tighten it to 1 Nm with a Torx T20 screwdriver. Reposition the socket board protection cover, pressing the top and bottom areas to lock it securely into place. Insert the Alfbus connector carefully, ensuring proper alignment and avoiding any pin damage. Reconnect the power inlet and outlet connectors, ensuring the latches fully engage. Finally, flip the display frame back into position and secure it using the bolts you removed earlier.